In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Zoom tutorial, sign up, schedule meetings, and more. We'll start by creating a free Zoom account. First, go to the Zoom website and click sign up free. Depending on your region, Zoom may ask for your birth year first, so enter that if prompted. Next, type in your email address and click continue. Zoom will send a verification code to your inbox. So check your email, enter that code, and then continue with the setup by adding your name and creating a password. Once that's done, your free basic Zoom account will be ready to use. Next, open the Zoom Workplace app and sign in. Click sign in, enter your account credentials, and you'll be taken to the Zoom home screen. This is your main dashboard where you can start meetings, join meetings, or schedule them in advance. To schedule a meeting, click schedule. Enter a meeting topic so it's easy to recognize later, then choose the date and time. After that, review the meeting options. This is where you can decide things like whether video is on by default, which audio options people can use, and what security settings you want in place. When everything looks right, click Save. If you prefer, you can also do this in the Zoom web portal under Meetings and then schedule a meeting. Once your meeting is scheduled, you'll probably want to invite people. Open the scheduled meeting and click Copy Invitation, then paste that invitation into an email, a message, or any platform you use to communicate with participants and send it out. When it's time to begin, open Zoom and go to either Home or Meetings. Find your scheduled meeting and click Start. If Zoom asks for access to your microphone or camera, allow it so you can participate fully. Inside the meeting, it helps to know the main controls. Mute and unmute turns your microphone on or off. Start or stop. Video controls your camera. Participants lets you view and manage attendees. Chat is useful for sending messages and files. Share allows you to present your screen or other content. Reactions gives you quick ways to respond or raise your hand. And leave is how you exit the meeting. Before an important call, it's a good idea to test your setup. Open settings, go to audio, and test your speaker and microphone. Then go to video and make sure your camera looks right. You can also use Zoom's test meeting feature to practice ahead of time. If you're joining someone else's meeting, open Zoom, click join, enter the meeting ID and passcode, and click join again. In many cases, you can also just click the invitation